my name is Umendra Pandey and I am from Mumbai. I used to work for an automobile company, a very famous automobile company here in Mumbai. And to my travel to my office and coming back used to take around 4.5 hours drive, during which I used to get so much tired that to keep fit, I have to go for a morning walk for almost 45 minutes. After that, a small or a light exercises and some yoga exercises I used to do to keep myself fit. Now coming to a requirement of the mattress, because I feel that when you are home, you want to be completely relaxed and you have to have a sound sleep for 6 to 8 hours. To get that, I wanted to have a nice mattress. It's not that I didn't have a mattress, but my mattress was not giving me a good comfort and I was having a back pain. So I started searching for a good mattress in a websites. Once I went over there, I narrowed down my choice to Wakefit and other two companies, and then did a comparison of all the three products together. Then I realized, going by each and other products comparison, I realized Wakefit mattress provides a very good comfort because it has definitely 4 different layers of foam, which does a different job, and together it gives a complete relief to the body. I understand it is a kind of mattress which gives a complete relief during a sleep, and so that I narrowed down my search and ultimately decided to go for a Wakefit mattress. During that purchase decision, I have received a call from the Wakefit team. I am really thankful for them to assist me during the entire process of pre-ordering, ordering. Though in times of ordering, you have to give a complete measurement, which I did to the best of my ability. But later on, I also got a call from the Wakefit mattress team confirming the size of the mattress. That was something which I never expected, and that has really delighted me that I am dealing with a very nice company. After that, the deal was confirmed. I made a payment, and the order was being processed, and ultimately I got my delivery within 6 days of giving an order. After getting an order, in between also I've got 2 confirmation calls regarding the delivery of the mattress, the product, and after delivery also I got a confirmation call. After that, I have received the complete instruction through mail as well as through a phone call how to install that. And believe me, the installation was really wonderful. The packaging was really wonderful, which is very quite easy, and the entire packing information is there with the mattress itself, so that anyone can install at home. So there is no need of any expert over there. So it was quite easy installation, and it has now been over 9 months me using that mattress, and believe me, it really gives a very good comfort. And it is though an orthopedic mattress with memory foam, and it is the really best one in the industry, I can promise you that. At the same time, the kind of comfort which me and my family is getting is really wonderful. My kids always prefer to come to my bedroom and sleep in that for some time, though if they cannot make it for the long time, which I think I am also making them going to use this product in future. Thank you so much. Thank you Wakefit team for staying together during the entire process and making this decision of mine really a good one. Thank you.